So today I have categorized what we're doing under tips and tricks. We're going to cover tap to pay with Google Wallet on your phone without having to actually go into the app. And I'll show you how to set that up. We had a class a couple of weeks ago about Google Wallet. And in that class, I was saying that you needed to go into your Google Wallet app in order to pay. I found out that is not the case. So you could actually just unlock your phone and tap to pay. There's a trick that goes with this though. So I'll explain that to you, especially if you have more than one card in your Google Wallet. But it makes it even more convenient, which I think is very cool. So if you have one card in your Google Wallet, you should be good to go already. That's the card that it'll default to when you tap to pay anyway, because it's the only one. Go into your Google Wallet and just see if you have one card, it should just say default for tap to pay. So that means every time you do tap to pay, the charge is going to go to that card. If that's the only one, that makes sense, right? So all you have to do in that case, you don't have to open the app when you tap to pay. You just have to unlock your phone and go boop, and you are good to go. Once the payment goes through, your card will pop up with a check mark and you're set. So that's all you have to do. You don't have to open the app. So you don't have to stand there about to get on the train, trying to open the app and all that stuff. You can just unlock your phone, boop, and you're good. If you have more than one card in your Google Wallet, which I do, so this was why I was really hesitant to do this because I didn't know what card it was going to charge to if I went on the subway. If you have more than one card, what you want to do is go in your Google Wallet, scroll through your cards until you find the one that you want to be the one that is your default to pay. So when you're going down the subway, that's the one that you want to get charged. When you are at the grocery store and you hold your card up to the reader, that's the default one that you want to use. Find that one on your phone, and then you want to click on that and just click on it, tap on it, and you'll see a menu. There's more to it than this, but what you want to find is where it says make default for tap to pay. Click on it, you'll get a menu that says this, and you can make whichever of your credit cards, debit cards, whatever on there, your default for tap to pay. Just make sure that you've got the right one marked for that, and you don't have to open the app. Again, you just unlock your phone, tap the back of your phone. You'll see your card pop up with a check mark. You're good to go. So even easier, but just make sure if you have more than one card, you have designated the default for tap to pay card that you want to be the one that those charges are coming out of. If it differs for you, like maybe you do want to go into the app every time and pick a card, that's fine too. But this is just a shortcut if you have one card that you're going to be using for most things.